everyone. Hello to my dearly beloved family. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your love and support. As always, I remain loyal. God richly bless us all. All right, let's dive into the reason why we are here today. Today upload is a wonderful one, and I do hope you enjoy it. Watch it, drop your comment, and I will be right back. This is so serious, so serious. I don't really understand some people. I don't really know if this is jealousy or it's real. Because some time ago, I remember that this Mr. Owazike came up and said he so much loved the agitation of Biafra and he can do anything to get Biafra. And that he will never give up on Biafra. But today, I'm surprised that the gospel that he is preaching is a different gospel entirely from what he was preaching before. Because the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, have said it time without number that anybody that is with Biafra, no matter where you are, when you are fighting for one just cause, he is everly with you. And I don't see the reason why this Uwazirike is going the other way around. Any little thing that happened, he loves to call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on it. And if he can just wake up and say, Mazi did this, he did it, he did that, he did this and all that. Is it that he is doing it for people to hate him, or he is doing it because it's true that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done those things? Because a lot of things that is accusing him of, he has not done it. I didn't see him like someone that can do that. And our brother here have something to say, our beloved Biafra brother. He just passed out a wonderful message for Uwazirike, of which I want each and every one of us to listen to the message, because the message is very important. But before that, let's throw more light on this issue of Uwazirike. This Uwazirike of a man, how did you see him? Do you see him like someone that is against Biafra, or you saw him like someone that can carry the burdens, the weight and the condition and everything that this Biafra brought? Do you think that he is the man that is capable of such? I don't really know. Please, I want you to drop your opinion in the comment section, because I don't know the side of Biafra that he is fighting for. How can you be joining your enemy to fight your own brother, someone you call your own brother? You did this for him, and still you are joining the enemy to fight him. You don't want his voice to be heard. You want your own voice to be heard. You come out and lay a lot of accusation on him. Do you really think that he is really fighting for Biafra? Because I don't really understand. I've not really seen any action in one of these people, the way the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, have taken this struggle to the different angle and to another new phase. We can see the work he has been doing. We can see the handwriting on the wall in the southeast. In fact, he's a great supporter of freedom fighter. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not fighting only for Biafra, neither is he fighting for only the Igbo, but he's fighting long-run fights. If you agree with me, you can even see the rate he take the Oduduwa's brother, the way he talk to any freedom fighter. Wherever he know that there's oppression in this place, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will carry it as a contract and make sure things are going well. So what is your take about this Uwazirike? Do you really think that he really mean well for Biafra, or is he really fighting for the struggle of Biafra? That is the question everybody's asking, including myself. And I want you to drop your opinion in the comment section for me. So I want to release the video for you to hear from our brother. He is really angry. I know a lot of Biafra people, they are angry with Uwazirike, that what he is doing is really wrong. Please, here is the video. Watch it and drop your comments.
On social media. Now, one idiot in a video. You never come one arrow green ahia. Nnamdi Kanu jikwe send ya unknown gunmen. Kahabia mega attack. I don't understand, Chief Raf. Zukwani ke. Nnamdi Kanu send unknown gunmen ka ha mega attack. Nnamdi Kanu create unknown gunmen. Can no tish no unnecessary jealousy, greed and envy. Jitegi na so gi ka akpo. At your age, you never choose no mazi boy who now. Eh? Chief. You never choose mazi boy who. This is not good for you. I na choka restore ya Biafra. Ka Biafra she Nigeria pota. Ama mago I mean I choka restore ya Nnamdi Kanu back to Nigeria. I don't understand your mission. Eh? Even a security men protect from unknown gunmen. Get up security men are on Imo State. A war innocent students. Ever had a protest. You didn't send them to go and intervene. Even a man, hefty man, no protest again. Now, guy, they get Ecuador for my. I want one year map to Nolo. You didn't do anything. I wouldn't matter now. All of them. You didn't do anything. Fulani Hessman now and page you will land. Get a security man gap and you people didn't do anything. Or was we can Supanike? What is wrong with you? You just know again who I work and you don't feel in me. Eh? Yeah, but I don't know. You don't know. He gave me. And I'm the top program. I'm not a see you. This is 21st century. Man, this is not the era. But I know one or two things. We brainwash the youth. No. Youth of these days reason properly. Men think good. Zuike, ito fela hineme. Channel your anger to Ndemero Bodaji Drota. If this country is fixed, again we had a kingdom the Kano. Everybody will be good, Wazurike. Channel your anger on politicians. Our moment and Achoke, Andy Riego ha. Ganot Gachi again, ha. Our get flying no Hachoke. Ganot Nachi again, ha. Well, one can no brand or Branduno Wolf, Henachun. Let's call a spade. Oh, the call Branduno would innocently Nachun. These days, onye Busu Brenazinkia, on Nam the Cano. Nkitane Bogana, Nam the Cano Nabia. Get you in our commander for ya, on Nam the Cano. Everybody in Nam the Cano. I rose on the southeast, on Nam the Cano. FMC might have water on Nam the Cano. As not a mat. Everybody must blame Nam the Cano. Federal Medical Center would have water on Nam the Cano. Teachers Nine and a jogo no Buddha. Manda Absunin and a jogo. Let the whole lecturers and a jogo on Nam the Cano. Give them a do Nine. Was Ricas one ike. It a fellow nonsense in the social media. Equador for my Imerenka, Amago Yewo, Onyake. I'm an owner here with Yaneo, Siana, but because Tanele, Igbos are not benefiting from me here. That is why Nam the Kano Jidri exemptional. And I buy a draw. Nam the Kano may not be getting it 100% right, but at least he is the only one working for the masses in the Mehana Huanya. Zuike, Ekala. I'm on which I who Nadia and who up on social media. What he does, who can never give video. It's a white compound. It's in the mother. A white compound. We are looking for a means to get away from this evil forest called Nigeria. The one name the Kano is campaigning and canvassing for Biafra. Oh no, town couldn't need an Sabajinacho for Biafra. I'm not Kembu. Nam the Kano the business name in Kiyawa. Instead of you people to channel your own way. Name what are the business about Nam the Kano? Is that how to do things? Zuike. I want to get change Gidilla, sit and Gidilla. Makana, what is the man this manao? I'm telling you the gospel truth. Omazibo have been abducted on daily basis. Evan answered. Oh, one big up on social media, girl, who say, why are the youth being abducted? Getting a me, you get her Kuya. Ujaga go give Kuya. Ujawa go Kuya no wa. But I want to hear when I check Zukwani ke. Because we can work in Zuike. Oh, that corner, I don't know to Mazi when I buy them mother. Omazi, which cannot buy them mother. Omazi Bana, Madam Monoya, Banana Montana Chaya. Omazi Bomonia, Omazi Bowalanya. 21st century, that was 1967. Men, why are these days? Omazi Bawana, I'm on your Can we get the simple truth? Igbo land 300. Let me just say only Igbo. Igbo 300. 97.5% you to son Nam the Kano. Check, go through your comment section. Let the way people are responding to you. Nam the Kano na kuhungo. Nam the Kano or subscribe or hawa. This is pure love. This is pure love. I'm onye. If you can't do anything, if you can't do anything, even if anyone steps on your toes, Machan get the can with Biafra. And I believe no one is stepping on your toes. You're just being unnecessarily jealous. Zuike, you working? Relax, yeah. Don't go. What's him in me? Get what honey when a security protector again, one gunman, neighbor. Then cat was a contract, a second, na security guard, what protector again, or within that I need. Kishaban Bubego. I want to go on the street, oh. Men of my hand, Zuike. Zuike. Get your cabucha walking a second, na security protector again, one gunman, neighbor. Na Hashkorike. Because you're not link with that, what on the security. Then again, your list, Bill, yeah. What's the case, Zuike? We know you. I'm on your let nobody run or why I can have one out of where Zuanike, Zuike, senior man, Zuike, can show him out trying, Zuike, Hena trying Buribu. That concentrate at your Hena trying. Zuike, only put on a social media ugly. John ugly, not what I want you to me. Did you go kidnap, wire? Did you go kidnap, and they kidnap Reggie? So you were a kidnapper. Can't go sorry for another day. But Zuike, Laburu Zuike, back here. I want to see him. I want to see a man walk around. Why you gonna hop on here social media? Well, get a dim because Zuike, you lose there. Zuike, oh, Zuike. Oh, Mazi Bana have madam mother. Last, I'm an yes, you are our own, none is our own. But this time around, you know what they are, none know what they are. Let's call a spade. We will not, all of us will not die. Let's call a spade. You know what they are. What's him?
Oh my word. That is all about this video. Hope you do enjoy this video. Please, if you know you haven't subscribed to this beautiful channel, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. Bye-bye.